of business environment. In previous video, we have studied the meaning of business environment. And what is the business environment? Business environment means our surroundings which may affect positively or negatively. Why it is important to be aware about our surroundings? First, to identify the opportunities. Opportunities means अवसर, मौका मीन्स बिजनेस हमेशा बिजनेसमैन चाहता है कि वो प्रोग्रेस करे, लेकिन इसके लिए उसे अपने आसपास देखना होगा कि पूरी इकॉनमी में, पूरी मार्केट में वो कौन सा ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो अभी तक मार्केट में नहीं आया है और वो उसे बनाकर फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेजेस ले सकता है। लेकिन वो फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेजेस लेने के लिए उसे पहले अवेयर तो रहना पड़ेगा। इसका मतलब business environment helps to identify the opportunities and helps to know where and which product we can create which is not created till date in the market. So by awareness we can find these opportunities. Second, to identify the threats, rukavati, hurdles. These hurdles will negatively affect the business performance. If we want to be succeed in the threats, there is a need to be aware about our competitors. What our competitors are doing, what are their targets, what they want to produce, what are their plans. We should be aware about it. Only then we will be succeed. The third one is tapping useful resources. Means every businessman having a limited resources. It may be man, material, machine or money. And these limited resources we have studied in the first chapter. The aim of management is to get the maximum with the minimum. And that is only possible. But convert the available resources in the maximum output. And that is possible only when we are about our business environment. Now the fourth importance is coping, adjust with rapid change. Because we know economy is going to be changed very fast mode. If businessmen is not going to change their policies and plans and methods of productions, they will not be succeed. So economic environment is going to be rapid change. If manager is not changing their policy, then all the targets will not be achieved. The major responsibility of manager is to achieve the target. And if he is not aware about the changes, he is not changing their policies according to the changing environment, all projects will be failed. Now fifth is assist in planning, help in planning. What is planning? To make a plan for future, to think about the future, that is planning. And the future is uncertain. What we have to do depend on the present. If we are aware about our present, if manager is aware about the present, then they can create the better plan. They can create the better plan for the future. So that will be helpful, because if plan is not strong, then all efforts will be vain. So planning will depend on the knowledge of present. Now last is improving performance. What is performance? To get the maximum with the minimum efforts, to save their energies, to save their resources, and this to get the things efficiently. And with the help of knowledge of environment, all these are possible. What is? Managers can use resources efficiently and effectively. They can make a plan, they can think about it, what to be done, how to be done, and from whom it should be completed. So all these benefits we are getting only when we are aware about the business environment. That is the importance of business environment.